Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to put your image in a shape in Canva. So first of all, open up Canva. Now once you're at Canva, make a new project and upload the picture. So here I have uploaded my picture. Now after you're done so, click on elements at the bottom right here. And in here, go for frames. Now in here, click on see all. And you will see all the different shapes. I will go for, let's say, this one right here. Just click on the shape that you want, put it there, click on the picture and drag it and drop it over the shape. And as you can see, the picture has now been added to the shape. So that is how you can add your picture in a shape in Canva. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to put your images into shapes in Canva. So first of all, open up Canva. Now once in Canva, create a new project and upload the picture that you want to put in a shape. So I will be using this picture right here. Now once you're here, click on elements. And in here, click on frames. And besides frames, click on see all. And in here, you will have lots different shapes that you can choose from. I will go for, let's say, this third one right here. Just import that shape. And after that, click on the picture and drop it over the shape, and that picture would be added to the shape. So that is how you can add your pictures to shapes in Canva.